How to post an article in LinkedIn. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your LinkedIn. Make sure you are using the web version to directly be able to access writing an article. In the application version, you don't have the option to write articles separately. So after going to your browser and then opening LinkedIn, you will see an option Start a Post. Over there, you will see an option Write Article. Simply click on it. Now, click on Get Started. After that, you will be able to change your format with heading. You can also bold it text, and this will be just like a smaller version of Word. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.